the circle. Wait for their big stack and then Oblivion. Okay, nice. Okay, we lock. Okay, good job. Let's just focus on 2 tablets. Epiclesis if you have. Okay. Yeah. Respawn on moon, go to sun. Go to sun now. Go to sun. Moon, then go to sun. Fight in the circle. Okay. Okay. That's fine, that's fine.
We got 2 tablets now.
Yep. Let's try to push towards moon. Okay, enter the tablet. Try to kill them. Okay. Respawn to moon, then go to star.
They get in the sun.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. Get the star, get the star. Get the star. It's okay. Okay, let's respawn to moon, then go to sun. We will retake the sun. Gather here at the sun. Should be fine. Gather at sun, guys. Then go to moon quickly.
Not yet ready. Not long.
Yeah, you can guys, you can guys. Yeah.
Okay, long.
Go here. I need everyone here. Too late. Okay, respawn to moon. Go to star. Let's wait here. Okay. Still have 1 minute for the mobs.
Sun long.
Yep. Okay, go to sun. After capturing sun, go to the mobs. Go to the mob area now. Try to fight on those places. Roaming 1 and 2 will go on Mantis spot. Sun teams will go to the nearest one, and the star will go to.
Second of is at sun.
Go guys, go guys. We need the mobs. We need the mobs. Oh, okay. Let's take this star. Okay, regroup at moon. Star. Wait. Regroup at sun. Regroup at sun. Everyone, anyone here? Oh,
I am
we got
at
wiped. Okay, they already locked this one. Respawn to moon, then go to star. We will focus on star. Go guys. I have few people.
oh, it's at star.
Come on guys, let's go. Let's fight. Okay, respawn to moon, then we will go to sun. Respawn to moon, then go to sun. Yeah. Sunyong, save the frozen for the Baron, okay?
Okay. I'm moving to sun.
Yep. Okay, let's try pushing. Let's try pushing towards moon. Okay, incoming. It's okay. Okay, those who died, you can respawn at moon and go to star. Others just stay. Yeah, let's defend this. Only those who are dead. Yeah. Let's hold this for a while.
Okay, die.
Okay, nice. Nice hold, nice hold. So it won't be the... Go to moon, go to moon. Star team, go to... star, go to moon. Take moon, take moon. Let's go, let's go. Too late.
I'm already at the portal of the moon.
It's okay.
Bye.
Okay, we still have 1 minute and 15 seconds for Baron.
Ratus.
Go to sun. Let's go to sun. Respawn and go to sun. Let's gather here. Okay. We still have 40 seconds before the Baron. Okay, let's push towards moon. Let's take moon, then go to Baron, okay? Okay, Baron, everyone. Now. Baron, Baron. Sunyong, frozen, frozen.
Okay, Roger.
Go guys. Baron, Baron guys, Baron. GG guys.